Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a really cool and useful trick, how to schedule a message on your iPhone. Ever wished you could send a happy birthday text right on the dot, even if you're asleep? Or maybe remind someone about something at a specific time without having to actually remember to do it? Well, now you can. In this video, I'll walk you through a couple of easy methods to schedule messages on your iPhone, both using the Shortcuts app and a third-party app. No jailbreaking or complicated steps needed, I promise. We'll cover * using the Shortcuts app for free. * exploring a user-friendly app for more advanced scheduling options. So if you're ready to learn how to become a texting time lord, smash that like button and subscribe to Rome Tech for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks. Let's get started. Transition to screen recording showing the Shortcuts app method. Okay, first, let's dive into scheduling messages using the Shortcuts app. This is completely free and works directly on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the Shortcuts app. You'll find it pre-installed on your iPhone. If you can't find it, just search for Shortcuts in your app library. Step 2. Create a new automation. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Step 3. Create personal automation. On the new screen, select Create Personal Automation. Step 4. Choose the trigger, the when. Scroll down and select Time of Day. Here you can set the specific time you want your message to be sent. Choose the time, how often you want it to repeat, daily, weekly, monthly, and hit Next. Step 5. Add action. Tap plus Add action and search for Send Message. Step 6. Configure the message. In the Send Message action, tap the message field and type in the message you want to send. Then, tap the recipients field and enter the phone number of the person you want to send the message to. Step 7. Turn off Ask before running. This is crucial. At the bottom of the screen, uncheck the Ask before running option. This is what allows the message to send automatically without you having to manually approve it. Tap Don't Ask to confirm. Step 8. Review and save. Review your settings and then tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your message is now scheduled. Short pause. Now keep in mind that the Ask Before Running step is the critical part of this method. Otherwise, your automation will simply send you a notification at the scheduled time, prompting you to manually send the message. Transition to screen recording showing a third-party app, something like Scheduled SMS Scheduler. Adjust app name accordingly. While the Shortcuts app is a great free option, sometimes you might want more features or a more user-friendly interface. That's where third-party apps come in. There are several options available in the App Store, but for this example, let's check out app name, e.g., Scheduled SMS Scheduler. Step 1. Download and install the app. Head over to the App Store, search for app name, and download the app. Step 2. Grant necessary permissions. Open the app and grant it the permissions it needs to access your contacts and send messages. This is usually pretty straightforward. Step 3. Schedule your message. Tap the plus button or whatever button the app uses to create a new scheduled message. Step 4. Select recipient and compose message. Choose the person you want to send the message to from your contacts and type out your message. Step 5. Choose date and time. Select the date and time you want the message to be sent. App name usually has a nice calendar interface that makes this super easy. Step 6. Schedule. Tap the schedule button or whatever it's called in the app.
***, short pause, ***.
The advantage of using an app like App Name is often a cleaner interface, more advanced scheduling options, like recurring messages or the ability to schedule messages to multiple contacts at once. However, keep in mind that most of these apps have either in-app purchases or subscription fees for full functionality. So, be sure to check the pricing before committing.
Back to talking head, ***.
So there you have it. 2 easy ways to schedule messages on your iPhone. Whether you prefer the free option with the Shortcuts app or a dedicated scheduling app with extra features, now you can ensure your messages get sent exactly when you want them to. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on iPhone customization and productivity. Thanks for watching.